Hey guys. So I just did my makeup and I don't know what to do now. I have nothing to do. But I was just like, you know what? Let me just try to do something. So now I have to edit the video. But after this I'm gonna have to like take my makeup off, sadly, because I'm not going anywhere. But yeah guys, my shirt or my romper got wet and dirty from the makeup, sadly. Sadly, guys. Try to look cute, so my edges could be slayed, but like I said, I'm not going anywhere, so what's the point? What's the point of doing it? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not. You guys, I don't know what to talk about. I don't even think anyone's on here. I'm trying to go live. I don't even know if I have anybody on here, but if I do, welcome. Welcome if I have someone on here. I can't really tell. You guys, it's only been like almost 2 weeks now with these braids, right? I did it last week, I know that for sure, but it took like 3 days. So I think I can save this live. I just kind of wanted to get on live before the sun goes down. But guys, I got my earrings and my necklace. This came in a pack with like 4 other necklaces. I got the earrings and the necklace from Primark. Or is that how you say it? Primark? Whatever. I got it at the Sawgrass Mills Mall. And then if you watch my vlog, I got like sets of rompers in different colors. I wish they had like yellow and purple and like dark green or something, or like light green, or maybe brown. This would have been really cute. So I could like do my makeup in every single color. But yeah. Yeah guys, but I just wanted to come on here. I'm feeling cute, and I just know that I'm gonna have to take this off, and I really don't want to, but it's like I'm not going anywhere and I need a shower, so yeah. I don't know, should I play music? If I play music I might get copyrighted, I believe, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to get copyrighted, guys.